Crafty Scrappy Mama. So I went to Michael's today because I needed 2 more skeins of this yarn, and I do want to let you guys know, most of you yarn people out there, knitters or crocheters or any other yarn earring makers, whatever, you have to look at, let's see if it's gonna focus. Okay, you have to look at your labels. So it says color, pastel. Down at the bottom, under the barcode, it says lot. And that lot number, if that lot number doesn't match, and you say you go back a couple of days later, say you didn't buy enough yarn, especially in the variating yarns, it has to be the same lot number. If not, it might not be. I'm going to say there's a 50-50 chance that the colors are not going to be correct. So this lot number is 8160, and it's the same lot number here, 8160. And for my other 2 skeins that I used on this blanket, I made sure to check that it was 8160, because you want them to match. Because sometimes, and you can even look while you're in the store, sometimes the same exact color, it will just a little bit on the variance or the texture of the yarn will look different, and you can definitely tell in your creation. So just be mindful of that. Okay, so the other things that I bought at Michael's is I was walking in, and since it's a nice day, it wasn't raining too much, they had a lot of their clearance stuff outside. Now, this is clearance, and I want to say $1, like the 2 for $3 bins that they've emptied out. I'll start with that stuff. So they have these trims here. This has an orange accent with it, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, obviously. There's 5 little ribbons, and it tells you how many, a yard each. 50 cents for that. Then, this one has like a tealy, I'm actually not going to go like that because you can see a reflection. Like a tealy iridescence to it, and gray, and that was 50 cents also. This is the blue version of that first one, 50 cents. Then they had black, 50 cents. Then they had these stamps. This is the initial of my last name. I was trying to find all the initials to the kids, but I couldn't find it, so I just did that one. Owl, Nicole. Another owl. And then this big clip. And I plan, let me just pan up really quick. Alright, don't mind the mess. This lamp is from my childhood. Like, I was 8 when I received it. So, that's why it looks the way it does. Anyway, see these clips here? I got these from Michael's a while ago. And if I'm working on something, or if I, like, think of a title, but I'm not even there yet, I clip it. I do a little post-it note and clip it underneath there. So, it's right there. I have it. And then I have the other 2 here, and then I have 1 more back here. And you can even, just because they're thick enough, you could flip it up and say you want to put something up, like, whatever, a note to yourself up instead of down. So this one is going to be on the side over here. I usually keep a little notepad of either what I'm doing for the day, like what I'm doing for a layout, like I write it down. If I'm loving the layout, not all the times. So that's why I plan on putting that clip. And I'm going to leave it so it can move around, but it's heavy enough that the notepad's not going to go all over the place. Then I picked up this stamp. This was in a regular clearance. I had been eyeballing this for a while, and I was like, let me just pick it up. It was $3.99. I did have a coupon. Oh, and then some of their tapes are on sale. Now, I bought this because I do have a picture in mind that I wanted to use this for, and then I figured after that it would still be cool. And I really bought it for this part of the tape where it has that pink. So, that's my plan. I hope you guys like my little haul. It's not a lot, but your Michaels might have their stuff out now that was originally $1.50 for only 50 cents. So go and check it out. Bye.